Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd, CEO of the Murrumbidgee Shire Council. Thanks for tuning in to Council's video update for Friday, the 7th of August. In the last 24 hours, there have been 450 new cases of coronavirus in Victoria, bringing us to a total of 7,637 active cases. 607 people are in hospital and 41 in intensive care. And sadly, since yesterday, another 11 deaths have been reported. 7 of these were linked to aged care. The total number of lives lost in Victoria now sits at 181. Murrumbidgee Shire is now back to the one active case, which is good news. Stage 3 restrictions are now in place across all of regional Victoria, including Murrumbidgee, and with the return of Stage 3, reminder that there are only 4 reasons to leave home: shopping for food and essential items or services, care and caregiving for compassionate or medical reasons, daily exercise, and work and study for those who cannot work from home. Yesterday, the Victorian Government advised that part of the Stage 3 restrictions, effective from 5 p.m. last night, there's now a restriction on anyone entering the Victorian Alpine resorts. Any breaches will result in significant fines. Stage 3 restrictions, of course, also apply to anyone that is already within the resorts and is staying there. This obviously means that now Mount Buller is closed. Workplaces in Melbourne are now closed unless the workplace is part of a permitted activity or all employees are working from home. Employers that require their staff to attend a work site must issue the worker with a worker permit. If you're working in a permitted industry in Melbourne and you cannot work from home, you do need to speak to your employer to make sure that they can obtain you a worker permit. If you are one of those employees, you must carry the permit at all times, and you should carry photo identification as well when travelling to and from work to present at the request of authorities. You can show your permit either electronically or on paper, so you take a photo, for example, or a scanned copy on your mobile device. Our neighbouring shires are reporting still a worrying number of active cases. Whittlesea currently have 526 active cases, 140 in the Yarra Ranges, 67 in Nillumbik and 36 in the Mitchell Shire. And as I mentioned, our numbers are still very low, and everyone, congratulations on keeping it that way. To that end though, where possible, please shop locally, and if you must travel in these areas for one of the 4 essential reasons, always ensure you protect yourself by wearing a face covering, keeping a safe physical distance from others, and by washing your hands. In addition to reducing our risk, shopping locally also supports our local businesses, which is really important at the moment. Don't forget, Council has received 4,000 disposable masks for distribution. If you're in need of a mask, or if you fall into a higher risk category for COVID-19, you can obtain a mask by popping into one of these locations: the Alexandra Hub, the Embassy of Ideas, also in Alex, the Flowerdale Community House, Kinglake West Food Share, or the Yea Community House. For more information, you can give Council a call on 5772 0333 and have a chat with our staff on the Dindy Link desk. If you have any questions regarding the current COVID-19 restrictions, please visit dhhs.vic.gov.au. You can also visit our website and click on the blue banner for more local information and access all the list of support services that are available. Today, the Victorian Government announced increased support for school students, particularly for those that are in their last year of schooling. This year, every single VCE student will be individually assessed for their VCE scores and their ATAR ranking, which will include consideration of any particular disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Additional support will also be provided for vulnerable kids and students suffering from mental health issues, and support for students who have disengaged from schooling. Also today, the federal government announced 2 key adjustments to help more businesses to qualify for JobKeeper. These are about the business turnover test, and the second is about the employee eligibility. To qualify for JobKeeper, past the 28th of September, businesses now only have to show actual GST turnover has fallen in September's quarter, instead of needing to show a fall in both the June and September quarters. Regarding workers' eligibility for JobKeeper, the deadline has been pushed back so that staff employed at the 1st of July rather than the 1st of March will now qualify. In council news, we're excited to announce the initial concept plan for the Kinglake West Pheasant Creek streetscape upgrade is now available for community feedback. You can view the initial concept plans and provide feedback on our website at murrindindi.vic.gov.au/projects or by phoning council on 5772 0333. You can also provide feedback and discuss the design in further detail by registering for our online community consultation session, which is coming up at 7 p.m. next Thursday the 13th. Please register ahead as you'll need to have login information. The mobile breast screening van is scheduled to commence screening in Alexandra on Monday. A number of safety measures are in place to protect staff and clients, including spaced appointment times, precautionary questions are asked on your arrival, and health and travel and face masks, thorough cleaning, all the normal things that you would expect in the current environment. You can make an appointment online at breastscreen.org.au or call 132050. Residents of the Murrindindi Shire are invited to join a free online film screening of the film 2040 Join the Regeneration, which is an innovative feature-length documentary that creates a compelling and exciting vision of the future. This online event is co-hosted by the Embassy of Ideas, the Murrindindi Climate Network and the Wye Water Discovery Centre in partnership with the Department of Environment, Land, Water and Planning. It's screening between Friday the 14th and Sunday the 16th of August. Bookings are essential and you must register online by visiting humanitix.com and searching Murrindindi. Registrations close at 5 p.m. on Monday the 10th of August. Or for more information, contact the Wye Water Discovery Centre on 5797 3394. Just a final reminder regarding Council's Business Forum coming up this Monday the 10th of August at 6 p.m. The forum will give the pandemic updates as well as looking at Council's COVID-19 business recovery plan, and we've got some really interesting guests joining on that night as well. To register, visit our website and search Business Resources and Support. And just before I go, just a final reminder, Dindy Live happening tonight, 6:30 p.m. This week we have musician Amy G playing some songs for us, followed by a chat with local photographer Vicky Moritz. You can tune in on Facebook or on Council's website at murrindindi.vic.gov.au/Dindy Live. The event will also be live streamed on UGFM. That's all from me today. Again, thank you for watching. You can also listen to UGFM tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. And to hear all the latest information. Stay safe, social distance, and please, where you can, stay home.